Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Canva to create Instagram carousel brand layouts, complete guides. Open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, enter Instagram carousel in the search bar. Choose a suitable template that aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Once the template loads, take a moment to review the design elements. Begin customizing by replacing the placeholder text with your own content. Utilize the text editing tools to adjust the font style, size, and color as needed. Next, incorporate your brand colors by selecting elements and changing their fill color. Adding images can enhance your carousel. Click on the Uploads tab to import your brand visuals. Drag and drop your images into the design or use stock images provided by Canva. You can enhance your design further by using Canva's built-in graphics and ensure that each slide maintains a consistent look and feel across the entire carousel. Once you are satisfied with your designs, click the Download button in the top right corner. Select the file type for your download. PNG or JPG works best for Instagram. Check the box to download all pages if your carousel consists of multiple slides. After confirming your selections, click Download and wait for the file to process. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your device. Open Instagram and navigate to the post creation screen. Select the option for multiple images to create a carousel post. Upload the downloaded images in the order you want them displayed. Add captions and hashtags relevant to your brand for better engagement. Review your post and make any final adjustments before sharing. Click Share to publish your Instagram carousel and showcase your brand layout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.